In this Yahoo tutorial or Yahoo Finance tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can download the S&P 500 data. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open the Yahoo Finance app on your device. The next step you want to do, you can see the search icon on the top. Go ahead and tap on search and then search for S&P. So it's quite simple. Just go ahead and tap on S&P, search it, and you can see the S&P 500 EFTs, 103 symbols are there. So go ahead and tap on the S&P data, and you can see these symbols have offered the S&P data for you to watch. So you can just go ahead and select the company or the symbol, and the next step is you need to scroll a bit down and find financials right beside summary. Go ahead and tap on financials, scroll again and find historical data and view more. So go ahead and tap on view more, wait for a while, and you can see these all are the S&P data. You cannot exactly download it, but what you can do is screenshot this and you can use it for further purposes as well. This is how easy it is to check out the S&P data from the Yahoo Finance app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.